God bless me with that car. Hey, Father, Lord bless me with a car. Hey, is it me? Ni mimi angalia miguu yako. Unapobariki wengine, nibariki na gari. Hey, jamani, look. Hey, to be rained on. And then this is a church they have closed because mtu anaweza iba madhabahu. Oh, to have a car must be so nice. Nicer than nice. So the rain has stopped, kind of reduced. And I'm asking myself, should I risk continue to walk and let the rain? No. Go live in the countryside. It's peaceful, they say. But where are the vehicles? Where are the motorcycles? Now I have to. I don't know. Are you raining a second time? And I've discovered light travels faster than sound. So we've seen the lightning. I don't know if you've seen the lightning. Sooner or later we're going to hear the thunder. Yo.